Hello, Jared.
Hi, Alicia.
And welcome, listeners, to another deep dive from Vibrations and Manifestations.
If you've ever listened to a podcast and thought, this is interesting, but how do I actually use it? This one's different.
It's that feeling, isn't it? Wanting to keep your own frequency steady when everything around you feels like it's on a totally different channel.
It's not about escaping the reality of things.
Yeah.
It's about creating these moments for your system to just breathe, recalibrate. And these small acts of presence, they seem small, but they are profoundly significant. They're like sacred acts of self-preservation, really.
They're the core of resilience, and when you cultivate them, they send out these subtle but powerful ripples into the collective field.
Vibrations and manifestations isn't something you just listen to. It's something you do. Let's shift into practice mode.
Maybe grab that journal, a notebook, or even just open the Notes app on your phone.
Let's make a little magic happen right now. We're going to guide you through a simple but powerful three-step process. Twice a week, we transform these episodes into free alignment workshops, offering tools, practices, and mindset shifts that you can apply today.
Alignment isn't a destination. It's a practice of return. The life you create doesn't come from your biggest, most effortful intentions. It comes from the habits you embody. Small, steady, aligned.
If you're tired of receiving manifesting advice that feels overwhelming and want something that feels grounded, supportive, and genuine, welcome to Vibrations and Manifestations. New episodes twice a week. Free workshops for your energy, your mind, and your life. Have a wonderful and healthy week.
We look forward to connecting with you again soon.